You know, Star, this is really devastating. Right now, the road cut off right here. And the entrance to go to the school, Burnhamwood School right now. As you can see, it is impossible. Water come pouring out on the road. Look at this, my people. We're at the roadblock right now and thing. You know, it's Wago and Albion right now. I'm here with our councillor for the community. Really appreciate the fact that him come out and I could see him today. You know. The water coming up to knee level right now in the road. Look at this. This drain just covered with water.
Today me and the team, most of the man them down there so same, but me and Chow there and we are going to do the right thing. Because you don't know, we have to make sure we say it right. We can't just leave it for the government the same way. We have to do it ourselves and know say you're right. Because anybody can take sick and want to move to the hospital and same way, is it?
Yeah, so this is how we are now, John Star. So look how we so if we go up towards Plymouth, head up and thing, landslide. Yeah, so that's a stay bad and big tree come down right there, so man. Anything I mash up the road still, you know. Right there, so I know only what things are going on, so take the time and go through. Outside today with the team. Oh God. DJ, come around now. Nah, see. Yeah, man, trouble unit there. Look on the road block. See what's going up there, so. So we can't reach Burnhamwood. See? Can't pass right there, so right now. So that one so far. See? Water there on the road there now. Pure water there on the road, people. See what going on? It is impossible to drive past here right now. Yeah, you have to watch all edge and think, look, it is impossible right now. Look at these logs in the road. The water come all over in the road right here. So we just walk through the water.
The Plymouth area.
Yeah, the road flooded, my people. Wrong clothes me wear. Yeah, both the valley going up to the Blue Mountain. Yeah. So this is what we're going through right now. Whole heap of water there on the road. See? Water come overflowing. Water come pouring out on the road. Look at this, my people. It's a very high falls come right out in the road. And it's supposed to be a drain, you know. But somewhere, somehow, you can see a lot of stones and stuff come down and block up the drain so the water can go through. But maybe they never clear it still. But we don't know. But hopefully, by later on, them can get things started out. But for now, this is the current situation. This is in the Blue Mountain area, going up to the Blue Mountain right now. So stick and stay with us as we show you guys what's going on around here. Alright, stay tuned. See, right there, so now you can see a big tree. Come down right here, so the road same way. Come on. Only park up here for do. Yeah. That's how I go on. This is our current situation, no? Hey, we are going again. They're funny again. Yeah, everything good. You want to touch it? Oh, cool. Community joint forces clearing so we can get past and things. So that's how we are going right now. So we're just giving you the updates as to go along. So stay tuned. Alright, so right now we're at the roadblock right now and thing. You know, it's Wago and Albion right now. I'm here with our councillor for the community. Really appreciate the fact that him come out and I could see him today, you know. I mean, I see him yesterday, you know, so really appreciate it. We see him today and he's there on the ground and he ensure he clean up again. So how it looks so far?
Well, as I say, you never saw me yesterday, but
yeah,
we were on the ground from yesterday.
How long you think it will take to clear this up now?
First and foremost, I must give my respect and give my, not pity, but my sovereignty to persons who have lost their home, persons who are flooded out, persons who lose livestock, etc. So, how it looks so far, not too bad. We're just try to make some single lane so that persons can pass just in case of any emergency. And as you know, I'm here, but you know that Minister Vaz, he gave the instruction, and we are on the ground as of yesterday.
Okay.
So we are ASAP on the ground. So we are always trying our best to see how fast or quick we can alleviate some of these disasters.
Okay. I know that this is not the only community that you have to check on, right? So what it look like in some of the other communities in your area?
Well, I can speak for the Balkars division.
So far?
Yeah, so for the Balkars division, we have the entire division.
Yeah.
We have the sub-communities. Some communities we cannot able to reach them now.
Okay.
Based on what you are seeing here.
Yes.
So we and community members are trying our endeavor best to just make some single lane. Vehicle can traverse. We know that vehicle won't be able to traverse everywhere, but at least we can walk, visit some homes and see the damages. We know that other agencies like the MLSS would like to come out and do their assessment, but it won't be possible now for this division because everywhere is not clear. So like for Charlestown, Woodstock Housing Scheme, Station, Mission Road, Molital, some of those areas can be assessed, but further up like Burnhamwood, Banga Ridge, Mawo, Cascade, Rigale, those areas are unable to access right now. But a member of parliament is doing everything, Minister Vaz, so that we can reach these persons as soon as possible.
So thanks a lot for giving us your insight and what's taking place so far, and the fact that you come out today, really appreciate it. So stay tuned again, people, as we go around and
volunteer work. Volunteer work. Alright? So
at that time like this, we just have to do what we have to do, trust me. So just go and stay tuned. One Rick here with the power star from yesterday. Give them 2 remote type power star. Alright, so that help we out from yesterday. Yeah, him cut out most of the trees there, man. Big up to all other persons helping out. And I don't know all the persons by the name, but we do appreciate the help so far. You know what I mean? We have Big Ben around there too, doing some work with his power saw. So big up all power saw men who come out and giving us the strength. You know what I mean? So just stay locked in to this channel for more updates, alright? This one side of the road right here. Yeah man, dig up water, dig up right there, so yeah. See? Dig up right there, so water man, them are put in the work. Just out and see.
Man, we there man up in above Bay Valley, we up in one part of Spring Hill there now, you see me? And you know we there try to see if we can do a little single lane, cause the hurricane pass through, you know what I mean? And she deal with the one way. So we there me and the team, most of the man them down there so say but me and Chow there and we are going to do the right thing. Cause you don't know, we have to make sure we say it right. We can't just leave it for the government the same way. We have to do it ourselves and know say you're right. Cause anybody can take sick and want to move to the hospital and same way. You see it? One Big Ben man, we there man and we are doing the right thing.
That is it, man. Love how you deal with it. Yeah man, so I'm there I do them best. Big up to the poor man, that was Big Ben. Yeah man, a youngster from in the community, I help out same way and thing. So we're just going through and giving you guys the insight as what's taking place in the Blue Mountain Valley right now in West Portland side. You know what I mean? So I think this I suppose which part it are going right now for our journey. But them I try clear it as best as possible. Alright? See what going on, my people? Yeah, so this is a bit of landslide right here at the corner. Seem like the road mash up right here, so this is Burnham Mud. It should be, wow, can see right here. Look at this right here. John Star. This is really devastating right now. The road cut off right here. And the entrance to go to the school, Burnham Mud School right now. As I can see, it is impossible. It is very much impossible to get up there at this moment. See, the road break up. Yeah man, as you can see the asphalt torn apart and thing. So we're going. So this is where we're going to leave you as it relates to this side of the community in terms of the roadblock. Yes, so you all just stay tuned to this channel. You'll get all the updates as we can give you guys as much as possible. Yeah, as we go along and thing. So just do remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed and thing. So as I said, this is the entrance to go up to the school. Yeah man, Burnham Mud Primary School. This is looking so crazy right now, trust me. Alright, so some of my team members right here helping out to take out some of the logs, you know what I mean, or cut down in the road. So the salmon them do the cutting, so you know them not for take up, them for us a cut and we for us. Yeah man, blessings Zelda. We just take up some of the logs them and put them on side, same way. Yeah man, so it's all about a community effort. We can't wait on the government right now because health is important, and if anyone need to go to the hospital, them can make them way through if I even foot it pass or something like that. But we try to clear the road as best as possible. You know what I mean? So that I go on. Don't know. The general here from Trouble Unit I help out same way. Take out some of the logs them. Yeah, so they've been helping me out thus far to bring you guys these reports from yesterday. So just stick and stay with us. Yes, the rest are here. Alright, that sounds good. Yeah man, so that I go on. What I go on? Yeah man. Yeah, sure. Teamwork make the dream work, so stay tuned and watch for all the updates as it relates to the Blue Mountain Valley and the work progress right now. Yeah. So not because it's not our community, that no means that we can't help out. It's our neighboring community, so we all have to come together and help as much as possible, because most of these persons that are here are not really from this community per se, but they are here helping out today. So that is what happening now, so stay tuned. The Rasta friend right here, she a chop out right here, so you know, all the way she a come from way down a White River and give we a help same way in our community, same way. See how she angling machete? Yeah man, she a help to chop out and thing. So I just let her go on. If we come through and do what we have to do, you know? Go on, stay tuned. Look at this right here now. We're actually standing in the water. The water coming up to knee level right now in the road. Look at this. This drain just covered with water right now. The water just flood out the road. So that's going on right now. As it relates to the current situation, heading up to the Blue Mountain Valley, it is impossible at this moment. We don't know when we're going to get over this, but God will see us through. We just want to just give thanks for life, health and strength. Same way, you know what I mean, from way of life, everything there, so I just that right now.